Connecting an aerial to your EETV box allows you to watch Freeview channels, combining traditional broadcasting with modern streaming capabilities. Let's walk through this step-by-step process. First, let's identify the components you'll need for this setup. You'll need 4 main items to complete the connection. The EETV box is your main device, available in ProBox or standard models. You'll need a coaxial cable with RF connectors, a digital TV aerial which can be indoor or outdoor, and an HDMI cable to connect to your television. Now let's go through the connection process step by step. We'll start with the aerial connection, which is the most important part of the setup. Step 1. Connect the coaxial cable from your aerial to the AN-in or RF-in port on the back of your EETV box. This port is specifically designed for the aerial input signal. Step 2. Connect your EETV box to your television using an HDMI cable. This carries both video and audio signals in high definition. Step 3. Connect the power adapter to your EETV box and plug it into a wall outlet. Then set up your network connection using either an Ethernet cable for the most reliable connection or configure Wi-Fi for wireless access to streaming services. For optimal reception, proper aerial positioning is crucial. Professional installations achieve a 95% success rate compared to 65% for DIY setups. Consider professional installation if you experience signal issues or live in an area with challenging reception conditions. Once your aerial is connected and positioned correctly, your EETV box will provide access to over 70 Freeview channels, plus EE's premium streaming content, giving you the best of both traditional broadcasting and modern on-demand services. Signal strength is crucial for reliable Freeview reception. Your EETV box includes a built-in signal meter to help optimize your setup. Aim for a signal strength above 60% for reliable reception. Watch as we demonstrate how signal strength affects your viewing experience. In urban areas with poor reception due to tall buildings and interference, an amplified indoor aerial combined with your EETV box's signal boost feature can significantly improve reception quality. Rural areas require different solutions. A high-gain outdoor aerial paired with low-loss coaxial cable can overcome the challenges of distance from transmission towers and terrain obstacles. Your EETV box includes a built-in signal meter accessible through the settings menu. Use this tool to fine-tune your aerial position for optimal reception. EETV boxes fully support DVB-T2 standards for Freeview HD reception. This provides access to over 70 Freeview channels with a unified program guide that combines terrestrial and streaming content. If you experience any issues with your Freeview setup, EE provides comprehensive support resources, including online guides, phone support, and remote technical assistance with an 87% issue resolution rate. With proper setup and optimization, your EETV box will provide reliable access to Freeview channels alongside premium streaming content, giving you the best of both traditional and modern television services.